Hi everyone, I am so sorry. I completely forgot to show you the fun envelope that you can make for your little 4 1/4 by 4 1/4 card. This is the one we just made. So I was going to show you how to do the envelope and I ended the video and I'm like, oh no, I forgot. So we're going to just do a quick bonus video to show you how to make a card now, or an envelope. Now you could just put it in a regular envelope. It fits. But if you want to make a fun card size envelope, this is what we're going to do. Take one of our regular envelopes. You're going to glue it shut. I had to lick that, sorry. And then we're going to cut off one end. We're going to make this, normally it's 4 3/8. So I'm going to cut this 4 3/8 by 4 3/8 so it will fit our card. All right, we don't need that. And then I have cut a piece of balmy blue to match my card. This is 2 inches by just a hair under 4 3/8. I just cut it a slightly smaller. So if I need to fit it in, I could slide it right in. Well, I say that and now I feel like I'm gonna have to shave. Nope, there it goes. So it's very snug, but I'll probably, let's just shave off a hair. I want to get it in there without like an issue. Okay, we'll shave one more hair off of there. And then I have scored it at a 1/2 inch from one of the ends right there. Okay, so we can make our envelope 2 ways. You can put that 1/2 inch on the front. That gives you a little blue, you know, a little bit of blue right there on the front. Or we can put adhesive and put that right inside and close it up, which is what I am going to do. So let's give this a try. And let's use some tear and tape. And put it close to the top, but not right exactly at the edge. Okay. And I'm going to get this in and then peel off my tear and tape. Get it all the way snug down in there. Then let's see if we can just grab our edge of tear and tape. All right. This is really easier than I'm making it look. Okay, folded that. And we actually need to put it in this way. Good thing I caught that. You want your flap in the back. All right. Just gonna peel off that edge right. Oh man. Yeah, that's okay. See, I forgot the envelope. This is how my day is going. All right, we're just gonna slide that in there and push that down. That really wasn't that hard. Okay, and then I am just going to take a very small, trim that corner off, and the same thing over here, just a little bit, just to give it a little extra, you know, make it look a little more like an envelope flap. Up there, and then we could put our Dr. Joey card in there. Well, get that in. And then put a little bit of tear and tape. I'm not going to close this yet because I need to put my gift card in there, close that up, and I can mail that to Dr. Joey. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that extra being late. All right, I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye-bye.